What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Previous video, we actually, you guys saw us take everything apart, and I was finally able to press these solid differential bushings in for the subframe. So today's the day where we could finally start putting everything back together, so that way we could put the car back on its four wheels and then start working towards the front of the engine for the all-wheel drive swap. Today we're gonna try installing the gas tank and the subframe. We're gonna try to get as far as we can. Obviously, I don't know if we're gonna be able to finish it, but we have to install the gas tank and then wire it. You can see all the wiring right there for the fuel pump. Lazy's also on his way right now. He's the one that usually helps me with his build. So once he gets here, we're gonna swap the fuel pumps because I was running a Walboro 255 on the previous gas tank, and we have to swap it over to the GSX gas tank. So we'll do that first, and then we're gonna go ahead and start working on the car. What up? Oh shit, Tony came too. Squad. There you go. So this is a Walboro 255, and we got to put that on the all-wheel drive gas tank.
Dang, you know, get a big garage.
Those are the gas tank straps right there.
Oh, these are the ones we were waiting for?
Yeah.
Dang.
Grab it real quick.
Grab it where?
Right. Never mind.
Ah, no sneak peeks.
Man. If you guys can tell, this thing's been sitting for so long. There's it's like crystallized gas. Is that what it is?
Yeah, something like that.
Freaking disgusting. So we're actually gonna go ahead and clean the gas tank. It looks kind of clean from here, but we're definitely gonna make sure we put something through the fuel lines to make sure we get all the gunk out.
Here we go, Miguel. Ready for a line?
Hell yeah.
Dan's gonna take us back to Mexico.
These things are gross, dude.
Dude, that thing is just gross. And then, is this one coming apart too? Oh my god.
Yeah, so if you touch it, it starts coming apart. That's how long this thing's been sitting for.
Deteriorated.
Yeah.
That'll be my workout every day.
So, we cleaned it up a little bit, and we put the Walboro 255 on there. Easy. One bolt you take off from the back right there, and then you slide it off basically. This little corner right here comes off, and then it pulls out. And then where's the other one?
What?
Where's the other old one?
Old one? Oh, I have it over here.
Ah, poor wearer. Oh, grody. Oh, dude. Yeah, okay. See what happens when gas sits?
Corrodes everything.
Corrodes everything.
Run your cars.
You could. It's like Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Anyways, yeah. It's out. Nasty ass.
Alright, so we have it prepped. Now we're just going to go ahead and start putting it into the car. We have these brackets that we're going to hold it up and we're going to push it in. Where? Right there. You don't see the Ep.6 Eclipse sticker?
You got one of the limited edition ones. You put it at the bottom of your car.
A little Easter egg. Is it even gonna fit? Freaking. Fuck. God damn, this thing's fat.
Oh, you can tell. Look which one's low and which is higher.
Oh, there you go. So it goes like this?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
See okay. Flush? There you go. Dang. Look at that.
Alright, let's put your side first then.
Alright. Wait, before we do that, let's put this on.
We should probably put the filler neck on.
The filler neck?
The evap hose.
I'm putting the evap hose.
Alright.
The evap. Damn it, I can't fit this hole.
Push harder.
Thanks for the idea.
Spit on it.
Spit on it. Alright, you ready?
Well, no, because you keep on hitting this edge over here. So it's not sitting flat.
And then, oh, look at the exhaust hangers actually hitting the gas tank over here.
I'm a big fan of it.
Alright, so we're running a bit into fitment issues. I'm guessing 420As actually have a fuel filter back there, and it's not letting the tank sit up front. I don't know if we have to relocate it or what we're gonna have to do, but once we figure it out, we'll let you guys know. Alright, so we're gonna try relocating the... You good?
No, my back.
We're gonna remove the fuel filter real quick and see what we can do with it.
We're gonna cut this down too.
And we're gonna go ahead and cut.
Wow.
My God, dude. This is the old exhaust hanger. We're actually gonna cut it down too. Oh shit! I just hit my freaking carbon fiber extensions.
Oh, fuck. The sparks almost hit me.
Oops. Oops. They're just carbon fiber, no biggie. No biggie. God damn it. What? Oh. Is it here? Yeah. Hello? Hi, love. Alright, so here's a quick mock-up. It's always better if you have a donor car because there's parts like this you're gonna need. The 95 to 97 filler necks are actually different from the 98 and 99s. Oh shoot. So make sure you actually get the correct year. Otherwise, because some are longer and some are shorter, so then make sure you get the right one. So this is a 99 tank with a 99 filler neck, and this is a 99 chassis. So it actually lines up perfectly. But yeah, once we have everything tightened up, we're gonna start working towards the wiring inside. Alright guys, so we're looking at the layout, and you can find all these diagrams and pinouts on DSM tuners. You're going to need this GSX all-wheel drive pin, and you're gonna have to splice into some wires and basically do what's basically being done here. It's always best if you turn on the car and you make sure there's no leaks and that your fuel gauge reads correctly. Alright guys, so this is the all-wheel drive pin connector you're gonna need. Now we just to splice into the front wheel drive one. We'll show you or how we do the diagram right now. Alright, so we try to use the, let me see the, we try to use the OEM, the OEM 420A fuel filter, and the hose is actually really short, so we're not able to hook it up to the connector up there. So I'm actually gonna have to get a longer hose, and I'll probably swap this guy out while we're at it. And then after that we'll be able to start the car. Right now Lazy's just finishing up the wiring, and then once we have it set up, we'll show you guys the diagram and how we set it up. Look at those braids though.
Hey, shout out to me though.
You did them?
Fuck yeah.
White one?
Yeah, that one. That one's too small.
Alright guys, so now we're actually gonna come in here and show you guys pretty much the diagram. I don't know how I'm gonna fit in here with you, Lazy, so.
Hi, Lee.
What's up, baby? Alright.
So which is on that?
Two guys, one DSM right here.
Alright, so we hooked these up for the power. So the blue one and black is for power.
Blue and black.
And then the black one, of course, goes to the black one into the harness over there. And then over here, we got
Good mixture.
the black.
The black,
yellow?
The black and yellow from the all-wheel drive one to.
It connects to the 2G yellow and blue, which already spliced into it.
Right.
Which you can tell right here. I cut right there.
Right.
And then the yellow and black, the bottom one over here, goes to the sending unit for the GSX, which is yellow and black too.
Mm.
And after that, it says in the wiring harness that the yellow, hard yellow, which is already in here,
From the front-wheel drive
from
one.
the front-wheel drive, and the all-wheel drive connect to that, right? To that, and then that's basically it. We connect this to the fuel pump,
To the fuel pump.
and
we're all done.
we should be done.
Alright, so this guy's gotta go. He got a date. He's kind of nervous, but.
I got a shower, man.
Alright, so what we got done is basically we got the gas tank on, so that's all bolted down. We got the wiring set up. It's a little bit confusing, but I'm gonna link down DSM thread again for you guys that want to see kind of like the diagram. You guys can figure it out. The only thing that kept us from starting the car was actually the fuel filter and the line. So this line's too short. This is a 428 line. I'm gonna get a new one come in, and then I'm also gonna change out the fuel filter while we're at it. Besides that, we should be able to start the car. So that'll probably come next video once we have all the parts ready. And then the bushings that I ordered from the dealer should be in as well. So then we'll actually be able to go ahead and start putting the rest of the interior, the rest of the parts in. But besides that, we did some progress. I didn't get as much done as we thought we would, but it's something. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.